This is really strange. It's 1 a.m. and this bird is outside on the path. Why isn't it asleep? Maybe it has a problem and it can't fly. Well, it's in the bushes there now. Oh well. Let's see, it's March. No, it's April 1st now. April 1st. Happy Wednesday, April 1st, everyone. What are these things? I don't know. Anyway, a bird out at 1 a.m. seems a bit odd. So I'm just documenting that. God bless everyone with peace and truth, and pray that you may escape, you'll be counted worthy to escape things that are coming upon earth. Because it's easy to forget that they are coming, but they are. Yes. And goodbye for now.